guess what?
Hey guys,
We're doing this.
Today, me and Gotcha Dan are gonna be making a song with our video soundboard.
Watch the latest Gotcha videos we just made.
Yeah, it's Toxic Week and Gotcha Dan Week. So, yeah, let's get into
We're
it.
gonna make one more. He's gonna make zero.
I'm making my third. Yeah, I'm making one more video. 4 videos today for me.
I'm about. Yeah, I should make 4 too. That's 2 down. So
Yeah, let's get into it.
I know you're ready.
I guess they hit or miss. I guess they never miss.
Stop right there.
You got a boyfriend. I bet he doesn't kiss ya. It is Wednesday. This stupid fucking justice, all fucking righteous fucking. He's a ginger. He's a ginger. People do have souls, all right?
That was legitness.
Goodbye, guys.